Alright, picture this. Waking up to panoramic skyline views, sipping your coffee on a balcony that overlooks the glittering city, and coming home to a place that feels like a five-star resort every single day. Today, I'm taking you on a tour of the top 6 luxury condos in Singapore. First up, we've got Wallich Residence. This condo sits right at the top of Singapore's tallest building, so, yeah, you're literally living above the clouds. The sky gardens, infinity pool, and private dining rooms? It's like living in a luxury hotel, only you never have to check out. The units here are sleek, modern, and the views are absolutely insane. Imagine watching the F1 race from your living room. Next, let's slide over to Marina One Residences. This place is surrounded by lush greenery, even though you're right in the heart of downtown. The apartments here are all about open spaces and natural light, with floor-to-ceiling windows that make the city your backdrop. And the amenities? Think Olympic-sized pool, massive gym, and private lounges. Number 3, the Orchard Residences. Now, if you want to shop till you drop, this is your spot. Located right above Ion Orchard, you've got luxury retail and gourmet dining literally at your doorstep. The condos themselves are huge, with private lifts, sky terraces, and interiors that scream sophistication. You'll feel like royalty every time you come home. Fourth on my list is Reflections at Keppel Bay. Honestly, this one is a piece of art. The architecture is iconic, the towers curve and twist along the waterfront, and you get these sweeping, unobstructed views of the sea and city. Plus, there's a private marina if you're into yachting. It's all about that waterfront lifestyle here. Rolling in at number 5, Ardmore Park. This place is basically a legend in Singapore. Super exclusive, super private, and right in the heart of the city. The grounds are massive, with lush gardens, tennis courts, and even a putting green. The condos are classic, spacious, and designed for ultimate comfort, perfect for families or anyone who loves a bit of old-school luxury. And finally, South Beach Residences. This spot is all about blending history with modern luxury. You're right above a luxury hotel with access to their services, so yes, you can order room service at home. The views of Marina Bay and the city skyline are next level, and the interiors are pure elegance. So, would you pick the city lights, the waterfront, or the shopping paradise? Let me know in the comments which condo you'd move into tomorrow. Thanks for joining me on this dream tour. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit subscribe for more luxury lifestyle adventures. See you in the next one.